Hi guys, my name is Vikram and I'm making a review of the product which I bought for my vlogging videos. And this is one of my products, which is Inca i3530B tripod, which I'm currently using, and it's quite nice, amazing for the price, which is only 39 bucks. And I also bought myself some GoPro, which is a Hero 7, and then I bought some accessories with it and extra, batteries. I bought myself 2 extra batteries, one which comes with this one, so that makes it free, always handy to have some extra batteries. Also I got some screen protector and some lens cover. So very nice if you're going on a trip and it's dusty, you can always use the cover. I also bought a Nikon D3300 24.4 megapixel camera with 3 additional lenses, which is this is the 55 mm lens, which is smallest, and then I got a 200 mm gold line lens, and then finally the big daddy, which is a 300 mm. I also got myself a wireless mic, which is from Boya BY-WM5, and I also got myself a 1000 luminum torch, just in case at night time I'm shooting or something, I need to have a light. Besides that, I also got a 15,000 milliamp battery, which is a charger for both this one and for my GoPro. It comes with a wire as well. So this is my gear which I have bought from vlogging, and more will be coming soon, putting up some nice videos for you all. So hopefully you guys gonna love it. Thank you.